How does parental liability work in e-bike accidents in Massachusetts? When a teenager causes a serious e-bike crash in Massachusetts, many parents are shocked to discover they could be held legally responsible for the harm that follows. Massachusetts does not impose automatic parental liability simply because a parent owns the e-bike or is related to the teen rider who caused the crash. Instead, liability typically hinges on the parent's own conduct, most commonly through a legal theory known as negligent entrustment or negligent supervision. Negligent entrustment means a parent gave a dangerous item to someone they actually knew was unfit, too young, too inexperienced, or too reckless to use it safely. Massachusetts courts look for actual knowledge on the parent's part, not just what the parent should have known, making the distinction between those two standards critically important to any case. A parent who knew their teen had a history of reckless riding, modified the e-bike to go faster, or failed to supervise the child's use of the device faces a far greater risk of being held liable. Massachusetts law defines Class 1 and Class 2 electric bicycles as devices with fully operable pedals, a motor of 750 watts or less, and motor assistance that stops at 20 miles per hour. Higher speed, modified, or unclassified e-bikes fall under separate motorized bicycle rules, which can dramatically change how liability is analyzed in a crash involving a minor. Under Massachusetts general laws, no one under the age of the 16th may operate a motorized bicycle, and helmet rules apply to all riders and passengers aged 16 or younger on standard electric bicycles. A recent Nantucket personal injury lawsuit involving minors riding a modified Super 73 e-bike brought these issues into sharp focus, illustrating how rapidly this area of law is evolving for Massachusetts families. As attorney Dino the 1000th, Colucci noted in Massachusetts Lawyers Weekly, negligent entrustment is a well-established legal doctrine that has long applied to snowmobiles, minibikes, and mopeds, and e-bikes are no different. As e-bikes grow more popular among Boston-area teens, families who allow unsafe riding without proper oversight are facing very real legal and financial exposure when someone is seriously hurt. Whether you are a parent facing a claim or a person injured by a negligent teen rider, understanding how Massachusetts law assigns responsibility is the first and most essential step toward protecting your rights. The lawyer you choose to represent you in an e-bike injury case can make a meaningful difference in how liability is investigated, how evidence is preserved, and ultimately, how much compensation you recover. Colucci Marcus, PC has been representing seriously injured clients throughout Massachusetts since 1988, and the law firm's team understands the unique legal challenges that arise when minors are involved in e-bike crashes. If you or someone you love has been hurt in an e-bike accident, reach out to the law firm Colucci Marcus, PC at 617-698-6000, located at 424 Adams Street, 101, Milton, Massachusetts 02186, United States, to schedule your free consultation today.